In our last episode about our Sunday trip to Torrevieja on the bikes, we bumped into Sally and Ray in town and they told us about Murphy's on the Park and we thought we'd give it a try. On a Sunday they do a carvery, a Sunday lunch carvery, and it's absolutely brilliant. We are in a pub in Torrevieja. In fact, it was the first pub we ever came to. When we came in 2016 looking at properties, we stopped at the Park of Nations, an apartment just over there by the park. And we came in here. The first night we came, we landed, it was a late flight. We got in here for about 11 o'clock. And we came in here for the first time, the first pub in Torrevieja we ever came to. And it's called Murphy's in the Park.
It's been taken over since we first came.
Yeah.
New owners now. But they've done it all up outside and inside and it looks really nice.
Yeah, and the people we met earlier on are just down there.
Yeah.
And they're having a carvery and they said it was a really nice carvery and it was $10.95.
That's what we've been told tonight. I've got my ticket.
So we decided to come and have a carvery and that's what we're doing. So have a look at this.
Smells good.
Wow, that looks great. Amazing. Beautiful. Marvellous. Beautiful. And look at this lovely meat. Absolutely superb. Are you looking forward to your Sunday lunch?
I am. It smells really good.
What are you going to have?
Getting hungry.
There's ham and...
Ham and beef, I think, would be the option. So I'm going to have half and half, I think. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry now, are you?
It's really good, doesn't it?
Well, then you go first. You got the tickets?
Got us tickets.
Right. There we go.
Tickets. Do you want these tickets? Thank you. Just 1 second. Okay.
Right, no problem.
Can I have a bit of each? A few of each, please? It's good.
It looks beautiful.
It's all the way from Ireland, it's not Spanish.
Really? Oh, wow.
Northern Irish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is like a tender.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great.
Stuffing?
Yes, please. Please.
Yeah, oh, she'll say everything.
Whatever you've got.
Oh, okay. Just pile it on.
Pile it on.
Looks delicious. Okay, that's lovely. Thank you.
Great stuff. That's great.
Great, yeah. Some carrots.
Get your own carrots.
Get my own carrots. Oops. My cabbage. Few peas.
A little portion there.
Oh, a nice thick gravy.
Yorkshire lads love gravy.
So do Yorkshire lasses.
And lasses and all.
Let's have a little bit more of that gravy. It looks gorgeous. Thank you.
You got enough now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this, I can't wait to get stuck into this.
It's yummy, yummy.
Absolutely. Mmm. Beautiful. That is amazing, isn't it?
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Murphy's on the Park is an Irish-owned, family-friendly bar with live music and live sports shown on several large-screen TVs. you can be assured of a warm welcome at Murphy's. I'm sure we'll be back.
All recommended.
And they're having a special 3 days over the
Next weekend.
weekend, yeah. So all the weekend, the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there's things going on, and obviously the big days, the Monday, Pat's night, Yvonne's birthday.
My birthday.
She'll be a pensioner. I keep saying this to her, and she keeps saying that she's not going to be a pensioner.
I'm not going to be a pensioner.
But you are going to be a
I
pensioner.
have a state pension, but I'm not going to be a pensioner.
A steak pension.
State.
I've got food on the brain now after our lovely food. Anyway, I think on that note, it's time to wrap the video up.
I think we better add before we fall asleep.
So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3,
2,
1.
Ding.
Adios.